All right, UPS just came. Got my spacers from FCP. Took a little while. Ordered them Monday. Today's Friday. They just came. It's like 7 o'clock. But these didn't come direct. I think they took them out of somewhere else. Maybe it came from APR Direct, but you know what? Kind of like just dealing with them. They have easy return. You know, it's just easy. You know, so that's why I went that route. All right. Let me blow this off. Show you how quick this could be. Here, work smarter, not harder. So all the bolts just quickly fell into the box. There you go. Well, at least you can't make a mistake and, you know, put it on the wrong one. So it clearly says 10 millimeter. So it's good. Yeah, things on there good too, by the way. So here's the bolts. Let's get these guys. Hey, you know the thing I was thinking about with these, you always have to put these caps on because like they're gray on the outside. It does make them look better. Let's see if they'll fit. I don't even know if I need them anymore, honestly. Do they fit? They should, yeah. Of course they do. Why wouldn't they? Because here, let me just show you what they look like. Just the grays. That's without the caps on it. Yeah, it's like, ugh, no big deal. No big deal. All right, let's put it on. Should be quick. You always need this little guy. Actually, I have, you know what the Touareg had, like an aluminum one or a metal. Yeah, aluminum one. It was a nice one instead of the plastic. All right, done deal. It's so quick. It's crazy because doesn't look like there's any room barely here. But on the other one, it was like right up against it. So yeah, I'm gonna put the 15 millimeter in the back. Now do you notice? I don't know the difference because I haven't had it this way. It is out a little bit more, I'll tell you that much. In the rears, it's definitely gonna tuck it out more too. All right, so I'm definitely going to keep everything in these bags and keep everything separate. What are you doing up there? Really? Yo, psst. Unreal. He loves climbing ladders. Anyway, here's the 10 millimeter, which is on the front already. These 15, I think, you know, the 15s are huge. Oh my God. But I will tell you something, especially with this mud flap, it's gonna definitely bulk this out. Did I need the 15? I don't know. Let's try it. Let's see how it is. Definitely difference in, of course, the rear bolts. They're much bigger. I'll just show you. Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit. There we go. Difference there. So reason why I'm going to keep everything in these bags is because I do switch off to these for the winter. I use these for the winter tires because lower profile and then higher profile, you know. Definitely do need to switch off living around here with the potholes. All right, there it is. That's a 15 millimeter. All right, let's put it on. Yeah, actually a big difference. Yeah, look at the mud flap. It's actually passing the mud flap. Yeah, got a little stance there. Oh yeah, you could, well, I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, this is definitely out a lot more than the front one. I can see it there. It's pretty cool. This is fake Quattro anyway, so it's not like it makes a big difference. And crazy part is too, you know, wheel drive, everything's supposed to be the same, but lately they've been doing things totally different, which makes no sense to me. Everything's 60/40, which I think is stupid. Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so here's a reference. Here's the stock. I gotta pull this, I have to turn the car around now, but I can't, you know, you can't tell because I still got the 18 on this one. But yeah, definitely a big difference in the rear. Now this car has bigger, wider, the Microwave has wider tires in the rear than in the front. It's pretty crazy. And believe it or not, on the screen it says 50/50. you know, with the selector, but I don't know. I still don't think it's probably real 50-50. That's real 50-50 right there. And that red top over there, that's real 50-50. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it around and then I gotta drive it. All right, gonna fish the other side. I think it's kind of repetitive if I've already done it. So just took it out, turned it around, seems fine. I am gonna test drive it, of course, more. I still gotta put the 15 in the back there, put the 10 on this, and then have to clean these guys and put them away for the summertime. And here's another little thing you should definitely get: Audi bags. They really are nice. And there they are. I'm gonna put the 18s in there and good to go.